Hello students, I'm Saraswati. Welcome back you all on my YouTube channel Master English. Students, today I'm come back with the topic of FYBA Semester 2 Lycidas. This syllabus is affiliated the VNSGU University. So let's start our video lesson with the beautiful topic Lycidas. So let's get started. To VNSGU Syllabus English Lycidas. Long question. Introduction first. Lycidas is a pastoral elegy written by John Milton. It is written in English pastoral elegies. The word pastoral is derived from the Greek word pastor. The meaning of the word is grace. Hence, pastoral poetry deals with the lives of shepherds. It speaks about the doings, joys, and sorrows of the humble dwellers of the countryside. આ જે ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન લિસિદાસના લોંગ ક્વેશ્ચન માટે જરૂરી છે. તો સમજીએ ગુજરાતીમાં તો લિસિદાસ પોએમ જે છે એ પેસ્ટ્રોર એલેજી તરીકે લખેલ છે જ્હોન મિલ્ટન દ્વારા. આ અંગ્રેજીની પેસ્ટ્રોર એલેજી છે, અંગ્રેજીમાં લખેલ છે. અને પેસ્ટ્રોરલ શબ્દ જે છે એ ગ્રીક શબ્દ પેસ્ટોર પરથી ઉતરી આવેલો છે. તેનો મિનિંગ ગ્રેઝ થાય છે, એટલે કે ચરાવવું. અને પેસ્ટ્રોરલ પોએટ્રી જે એ ભરવાડના શબ્દ સાથે સંબંધિત છે, એટલે કે ભરવાડના જીવન પરથી સંબંધિત છે. અને આવી જ રીતે આ પોએમમાં જે ગામમાં રહેતા એટલે કે કન્ટ્રી સાઇડમાં રહેતા રહેવાસીઓ તેમના હંબલપણા એટલે કે તેઓ શું કરે છે, તેઓ ખુશી મનાવે છે, તેઓ દુઃખી મનાવે છે, દુઃખ મનાવે છે જે છે તેના ઉપરથી આ પોએટ્રી લખવામાં આવેલ છે અને કહેવામાં આવેલ છે. મીન્સ ઓફ એન એલેજી. Elegy means a mourning poem. In a pastoral elegy, the poet mourns the death of a friend. The poet, in the guise of a shepherd, mourns the death of another shepherd. Thus, Sir Philip Sidney and Edmund Spenser popularized pastoral poetry in English. In terms of literary device, Lycidas is written in iambic pentameter, and the rhyme scheme is switches to Ottawa rima. A B A B A B she. Background of the poem. Lycidas is first appeared in a 1638 collection of elegies entitled Justa Edordo King Naufrago. This collection commemorated the death of Edward King, a college mate of Milton's at Cambridge, who drowned when his ship sank off the coast of Wales in August 1637. Milton volunteered or was asked to make a contribution to the collection. The present edition follows the copy of poem Mr. John Milton, 1645. Now, the main topic, conventional name of Lycidas. In Lycidas, Milton has followed the pastoral tradition. It is a pastoral elegy. The very name Lycidas is the conventional name for a shepherd. It frequently occurs in the pastoral elegies of the Theocritus and Binus. The pastoral machinery has been made full use of by the poet. He speaks of himself as a shepherd. He speaks of Edward King, another shepherd. Both of them lives together and graze their animals together. For we were a nurse upon the self-same hill, fed the same flock by a fountain, sad and real. Further, there are charming description of the beauty of the countryside. This is also in line with the pastoral tradition. Cause of the death. Next, Milton probes into the cause of the death of the shepherd. First, he questioned the sea nymphs. He asked them what they were doing at the time of the death of Lycidas. By soon, he realized that the nymphs could have done nothing to help his friend. Everything was questioned by a Triton. So, winds were not responsible for the death of his friend. Even the powerful goddess Calliope could not save her son Orpheus from death. Even if all the goddesses were present, they could not have saved the life of Lycidas. They are also helpless before death. Procession of Mourns. Another convention of pastoral elegy is the procession mourns. Milton also introduces a procession of mourns in his poem. All nature, the woods, the caves, the echoes mourn the death of Lycidas. Cairns and St. Peter are the other mourns, and Cairns represents the Cambridge University, and Cairn is the name of the river on the Cambridge is situated. Note of hope and consolation. Milton ends his elegy on a note of consolation and hope. Orthodox pastoral elegy end in that way, though drawn in Ocean Lycidas is not dead in reality. Like the sun, he would rise again. He would live a happier and modern life in some other realm. His living place would be heaven. He would be the guardian angel of the place where he drawn. In future, he would protected all those who sail that area. Now the poem lines weep no more, be full, suffered, weep no more. For Lycidas, your sorrow is not. Students, thank you for watching and keep updated with me. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.